Hi, it's Christy with Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm back to show you how to make this quick and easy snack, Air Fryer Seasoned Pretzels. They can be made in any air fryer or in your Ninja Foodi. So today I'm going to make them in my Ninja Foodi using the air crisp function on the Ninja Foodi. But you can make them in your air fryer too. You'll just use the basket of the air fryer. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line the air fryer. You can use foil actually in it, as long as you roll up the sides. So you want to make sure that the air is still able to circulate around the side of the basket where the holes are. So what I recently discovered though are these little parchment sheets, and they're perfectly round with the holes already in them, and they just fit right in the air fryer. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in here, and you can see this here, it fits perfectly. And you can just kind of turn it so that, for me, I kind of get it where it's on the holes that are already in there. So now I've already got that in, and now I'm just going to add some pretzels. You're going to add about 8 ounces of pretzels. If you're doing gluten-free, these are the gluten-free ones I use. They're already 8 ounces, so it works out perfectly. So we're going to put the whole bag right in here into the air fryer. So we have all of our pretzels in there. And you can also make these in the oven. We usually do them in the oven until I realized I could make like a quick batch in the air fryer. So now I've been doing this frequently. It's just a lot easier. So the next thing that you're going to add is the ranch seasoning. So you just use a packet of ranch, and we're going to open that up and just pour it right on top of here evenly. So I'm just going to evenly pour this. You're going to use the whole packet right on top of those pretzels. And then I also like to just add a little bit of extra garlic powder to these. So usually add about 1/4 teaspoon. Just going to sprinkle those on here. Now lastly, we're just going to add a squirt of this olive oil spray. So the first thing we're going to do is just squirt these, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix them up so that I can be sure everything is getting coated in here. So we're going to just kind of mix it up. You want to make sure that that seasoning gets on the pretzels, and you also want them to be a little bit oily here. So we are going to put some oil in. Now you can use, I use olive oil spray without an issue in the air fryer Ninja Foodi. I've never had a problem with it. You can use coconut oil spray as well if you prefer. So we are just making sure that all of this seasoning gets on top of here and doesn't fall through the holes. So the one thing is, if you use oil, or sorry, if you use aluminum foil in the air fryer for these, you aren't going to have a problem with any of the seasoning going through the hole to the bottom. So we have all of these coated. Alright, so now we have it all ready to go here. I've got it sprayed. We're going to go ahead and close the lid, and we have it set for 350 degrees for 3 minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to check on it, add some more oil, and mix it up, and then cook for a couple more minutes. Alright, so now I have the 3 minutes done in the Foodi, which was the first 3 minutes. So as you can see here, they're looking good. They're nice and coated. So I'm going to spray them a little bit more and just stir them up to get them mixed up a little bit more. So we want to kind of bring the ones that you can tell need to be cooked up a little bit better to the top. And then we're going to spray them again. And once they're sprayed again, we're going to cook them at 350 again for 2 minutes this time, and then they should be ready to eat. I just did the 2 minutes in the air fryer, and these are looking great. They look pretty good, and I'm about to get them out of here, and we're gonna serve them up. So the biggest thing with seasoned pretzels is basically you're giving them a great flavor that they wouldn't otherwise have. So these are a favorite. They smell great too. You'll be ready to eat them as soon as you smell them, whenever you open up the Ninja Foodi or the air fryer, either one. Thank you so much for joining me today to see how to make air fryer seasoned pretzels. Now these are ready to go in just 5 minutes, so it's very quick and easy to make. If you want the full recipe, just check out the recipe link below. Along with everything else I mentioned there will be down in those show notes. As always, feel free to subscribe if you'd like so that you don't miss any episodes. And you can follow me below on all my social channels as well. Thanks again, and visit mommyhatescooking.com for all the recipes.